Okay, this is a carburetor off a 1948 Whizzer Schwinn bicycle with a Whizzer motor in it, and it's mostly clean now. The bowl's still a little dirty. There was a lot of sediment in the bottom of it, and I think I've got most of that out. So now I'm in the process of assembling it, and when I get it fully assembled, I'll reinstall it in the bicycle and attempt to start it. So these are needle and seat. This is a needle and seat here. The float. This is the pin that holds the float in, and these are. This is the jet here. It's got. I cleaned it out, and it has a couple other little emulsifier tube holes. The main bolt screw seems to be in okay shape. It's a little worn on the edges there, but you know, it's a 1948 bicycle, so it's bound to be worn out a little bit. I use a universal wrench here. Shouldn't take too much pressure to hold the bowl on. This is really rare. It's marked. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's marked "Made in the USA." That's really rare these days. Okay, we're ready to go install it in the bicycle. Okay, we're back outside. We're ready to install the carburetor I just cleaned up. It goes on the Whizzer motor, which is in a 1948 Whizzer bicycle. It's all original paint, decals. The paint's a little dull, but still has all the pinstriping. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I didn't take the throttle cable off, so I'll just try to get it back in the little hole that it goes in, and then goes in this hole right here. And slide the carburetor over the studs. Got the two bolts. Go on the other side. So I can get this other nut started on the carburetor stud. And now the gas line. That should do it. Next thing to do is try to start it.